Someone actually asked me recently, Katie, why don't you show any like townhomes and condos? You show so many single family homes. And honestly, that's because here in Oklahoma City, there just aren't a ton of them. But when a good one comes up, it is worth paying attention to. And today I'm going to show you one that I think is a really solid option, especially if you're someone who wants to be close to downtown, wants low maintenance living, and still wants something that feels very modern and elevated. Hey, I'm Katie, your realtor here in OKC, and today we're in Midtown, technically on the north side of Midtown, which I actually love because you're just far enough removed from the noise, but still only about 5 minutes to downtown Oklahoma City. And the lifestyle here, this is where this property really shines. I'm on my way there right now, and we're literally just a few blocks from Harvey Bakery, which I'm not kidding is one of my all-time favorite spots. The pastries are so good, and it's got like a really vintage, cozy style. So this is the kind of place that you'll actually want to walk to on a Saturday morning. And there's a lot of other really cool spots very close by, within walking distance. You know, a quick 3 to 5 minute walk can get you a lot of places. So this one can check a lot of boxes if you're someone who wants walkability, that city feel, but still wants something that is newer and low maintenance. Before we jump into the tour, if you've been thinking about moving to Oklahoma City and you want help figuring out where you should live, whether that's downtown, in the suburbs, or somewhere in between, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. I put out videos every single week to help you figure out exactly where that is. All right, so we're gonna go take a look inside. This one was built in 2021, so it has that newer, modern feel that's honestly kind of hard to find in this area. And when watching this tour, if you're thinking, okay, this is more my style, condos, townhomes, lower maintenance, then reach out to me. There aren't a ton of these, but I can help you stay ahead of what does hit the market. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this townhome looks like. Coming off the front here, we have a nice little courtyard area. Sorry if you can hear the lawnmowers in the background, but this is a 3-bedroom or two bed plus an office, however you want to swing it. 3-bathroom, right around 2,000 square feet. And this one is steep, it's right over $1 million. You're really paying for that location being in such a great part of downtown Oklahoma City. So coming in off to this front door, we have some nice cool wallpaper here if you're into that. Wallpaper is back and people are loving it. So right back here is actually where our garage is gonna be. So garage comes in off the back. It is a 2-car garage. Kind of comes in a nice back alley, and really good perk to have, because some of these downtown locations you might be stuck with street parking or paid parking or something like that. So you do have your own personal garage, which is really great. And then coming in off this first room, this is what could be considered the 3rd bedroom or the office or flex space, whatever you need it to be. They have it kind of set up as an office, plus they have some workout equipment here, but there is a full bathroom attached and a full closet. If I can get the light turned on here so you can see. It is a full, it's got a nice shower with a glass door here, full everything there. So let's go take a look at the 2nd floor. This one is 3 floors. So one thing you will see right behind me here is our handy dandy elevator as well, because of course you need that with 3 floors. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the stairs. I like to joke with people that are buying multi-level houses that it's just part of the wellness package, right? That comes with your home, is to climb a little bit of stairs. So on this 2nd floor, we have washer and dryer area. That's right off the stairs here. And then our bedroom right here. This bedroom also has a full bath attached. So each of the 3 bedrooms will have a full bathroom attached. And then also up in the main living area, we're gonna see a half bath too, a powder bath. We have full closet space here. And then right over on this side of the bedroom, we do have a full bathroom too. So very pretty finishes done, some nice glass shower doors, which is really nice. And all along the 2nd floor, we have some nice LVP wood look flooring here that looks really nice. And then coming over here, this would be like our primary bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom. It has a whole wall of windows here, which is very pretty. And you are 2nd floor, so you're not right on that ground level. So if you want a little bit of, you know, peace of mind for safety, you got that as well. And then let's take a look at this really beautiful full bathroom. They did some really nice gold finishes, gold hardware. They did a shower room here. So walking in, we have our shower and then a nice tub here as well, if you can see that. Very pretty tile. I actually have this same exact tile in my home too. It's a neutral, but it's so pretty too. It's got like lots of little details, but also in a neutral. So very nice. And then some nice granite countertops, again with those nice gold on the mirrors. And then all of our cabinetry is just kind of this medium rich brown wood looking material there. So let's go up the stairs. Once again, I'm not gonna take the elevator, and let's go check out the main living space. All right, we've reached the top. I have my workout in for the day, and this is probably my favorite area of the whole home, which is this living kitchen space. And some of the details that they did here are very like almost loft-esque, you could say, with the windows and the arches up there. Very cool space. It's definitely very modern, so it's for somebody that is looking for a very modern city feel. Not so much like on the traditional side when it comes to this upstairs space. Same thing goes with the kitchen. Lots of like modern cabinetry. All of it just looks very untraditional, I guess you could say. Looking off this back sink, you get a great view. There's like a church back here, a child's playground. Very nice views there, very pretty. And then coming into this wonderful living space, the ceilings are so tall with lots and lots of windows that it makes it just look so grand. Very cool. And again, this is where our elevator drops off from the top floor. Let's go take a look at this balcony up here. I'm hoping the lawn mowing isn't too loud so you can still hear me. But nice space here. There's enough room for a table and chairs, probably even a much bigger table than this one. Across the street, we have some more townhomes and that sort of thing. And it's, you know, kind of sits a little catty corner here, but you still do get some good views of downtown. So just a little bit of good views there. But this one is definitely like, it's downtown, but it's just far enough to where you're not actually in all of the noise. You're just a little bit of a walking distance away from it. But very cool spot. And then I forgot to show you too, over on the other end by our kitchen, we have this full wall of cabinetry, and then this is where we have our powder bath. So this is a really great location right off the kitchen and living, so that way you don't have to go downstairs or anything like that to get a full bathroom. And again, they did some nice wallpaper here again, because wallpaper is back, I guess. So that's all of this townhome here in Midtown in Oklahoma City. So that is that tour of that townhome. So overall, here's who I think this property is probably perfect for. If you're someone who really values like location and lifestyle, being really close to downtown, being able to walk to really fun places, and just having like that city energy, this is a great fit. Yes, keep in mind the HOA is pricey. It's around $5,300 a year, which can sometimes be a lot to stomach. It's definitely something to factor in, but when you compare it to some other options that are closer to the heart of downtown, those can push over $10,000 a year. So this one is actually not out of line. And if you're getting a newer build, modern finishes, and a low maintenance setup, which is what a lot of people are looking for, then it might be worth it. Hey, if you have questions about this property or you've been thinking about moving to Oklahoma City, feel free to call, text, or email me. I get calls and texts and emails every single week from people just like you who are thinking about making their move to Oklahoma City. So if that sounds like you, drop down to the description below where you'll find all of my contact information, whether it's tomorrow, months from now, whatever it may be, across the country, across the world, or just across the city, then I'm here to make your move to Oklahoma City as seamless as possible. And I'll see you in the next video.